Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Pundi X. What's the current price of the Pundi X? What's the price is occurring in the Pundi X? In this video I will show you friends. So before starting this interesting video, I request all of you that please subscribe to this tech channel, like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos. Anyways, let's start the video friends and let's move on. So friends, the current price of the Pundi X, as you can see here, now the current price is 2.11 USD dollar is the current price of the Pundi X. On the other side, if you look the price is okay in the Pundi X, so absolutely the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week prices occur in the Pundi X is going down friends. The price of the Pundi X is going down friends, and a lot of people also message me on Instagram and Telegram that what's the reason behind it and what should we do, is it the best time to buy, sell or hold Pundi X. So finally I decided to make a video for my viewers that what is the best decision. So let's see the price chart for it's my friends. That is the last 1 day price chart of the Pundi X. If you look the price change occur in the Pundi X, so negative 13.68% price changes occur in the 24-hour, and the highest price is 2.51 USD dollar friends. If you look the price chart of the Pundix, so I'm very shocked to see that the Pundix price is going down from the previous last 1 day friends. But I'm happy to see the jump of the Pundix. I really like the jumping time of the Pundix. When remember when Pundix starts jumping, so they goes like straight, as you can see here, like just understand the arrow is the Pundix and that is the moon, so they are decide to go to the moon, they go straight to the moon friends. So I really like this character of the Pundix, that the Pundix take a straight jump. When the Pundix start jump, so the jump of the Pundix is very quick and straight jump. I really like this jump of the Pundix friends. Anyways friends, my prediction is that, and my personal suggestion for all of my viewers is that please, I know this time the price change occur in the Pundix is a negative, but very soon after a few hours or after a 1 day, the price change become again positive in the Pundix. That is why my personal suggestion for all of my viewers is that please hold Pundix for a long time friends. And what's your opinion, what's your prediction about Pundix? Please also share in the comment box. And remember that now this time the best decision for all of you is that to hold Pundix. Don't sell it and don't buy Pundix at this time. It's time to only and only hold friends. Anyways friends, what's your prediction and what's your opinion? Also share in the comment box. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Click the subscribe button, like this video for updates and news videos.